How programs remember things like your name, age, or even the item in your shopping cart? Well, it's all thanks to variable. In this video, I will simplify the concept of variables in Python and give you practical examples so you can use them like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are diving into one of the most essential building blocks of Python programming, variables. Whether you are completely new in Python or brushing up on the basics, understanding variable is must for writing effective code. So let's jump right in and see how variable work in Python. So what is a variable? Simply put, a variable is a way to store information in your program. Think of it a labeled container or a box where you put data that you can use or change later. In Python, variables are created the moment you assign them a value. For example, age equal to 25. Create a variable age with a value of 25. This is the example. Now let's talk about naming your variables. Python has some rules you need to follow. The name must start with a letter or an underscore but cannot begin with a number. It can only contain letters, numbers and underscore. Use descriptive names like age, username to make your code more understandable. Avoid name like X or Y unless you are doing something simple or temporary. Assigning a value to a variable is super easy. Use the equal sign. For example, age equal to 25. Assign the number 25 to age. Python automatically figure out the type of data for you. What if you want to change the values of a variable? No problem, you can reassign it anytime. If age equal to 25 and you decided later to set age equal to 30, Python update it without any issue. Variables are flexible and that makes them powerful in programming. Speaking of flexibility, variables can hold different types of data: integers, floating point numbers, strings, boolean and more. For example, is active equal to true is a boolean, price equal to 19.99 is a float, message equal to hello world is a string. Python is a dynamically typed, which means it knows the data type at runtime. Earlier in this video, I mentioned primitive data type. If you would like to deeper understanding, I have already made a video covering integer, float, string and boolean. Check it out to build a strong foundation in Python. The link in the description. Want to see what's your variable hold? Use print function. For instance, x equal to 10, print x, we can get the output 10. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive look at variables in Python. Remember, variables are your program way of holding and manipulating data. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Python content. Drop any question or ideas for future video in the comment below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.